From the Ahern website, in the upper right-hand corner, there's a link to our MCAS resources. On this site, you will find both the infrastructure trial site as well as the actual MCAS testing site. Today, I'm going to show you how to log in to the infrastructure trial site and find your session. First, I'm going to start by signing in. If you have any problems signing in, please contact your administrator or try using the Forgot Password button at the bottom to retrieve your password. Here I am, I'm logged in. I know that I'm in the infrastructure trial or training site because I see this brown banner bar here, where in the real testing site it will be blue and black. So once I'm in the site, I'm going to go under the testing section and I'm going to choose students in sessions. From this page, you'll see that I don't have any sessions added to my dashboard. So I'm going to find this Add a Session button here on the left. And I'm going to search by last name for my session. I'm going to be looking for the session that's in green, meaning that it's prepared and active and ready to go. So I'm going to add the selected session. And here you'll see the progress. You'll see I have many students here resumed. If for some reason a student went from resumed or yellow to red to exited, this could be because of a Wi-Fi connection loss. It could be because of a pop-up, because they hit a button. They could exit out of the test. In order for that student to go from exited and back to active, you're going to have to click on the drop down next to the student's name and choose to resume that student. Now I don't have any student exited here, but if one of these yellow resumed were red as exited, I would click the drop down and click resume, and that would give the student the ability to log back into their test. Best practice is to always keep your screen fresh. So every 5 or 10 minutes, refresh your screen, make sure everything's up to date, and no students have been kicked out. Before you can start a session, you will need to unlock it, which is just this little slide button here. So this should always stay locked until it's time to actually test the students. And when all students are done testing today, you can go ahead and lock the session back up. The system will only let you have one session unlocked. So if the first session is still unlocked, you won't be able to open up the second.